Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to build a simple and functional to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Whether you are a beginner or you are looking to improve your skills, this is a really fun and simple, easy project that you can actually will be perfect for you. So let's dive in and we're beginning right now. The first thing is that we want to create an index.html in the new folder project. Inside, we want to add the three parts that we want to use for the to-do list, which will be the HTML that I'm creating right now, the CSS that we'll building it later, and the JavaScript that will be starting it later on after I finish with the CSS. Right now we'll be creating the uh, the HTML. As you can see, I will build uh, a simple form with an input and a button, and that will be for creating all the notes or the to-do information that you want, and the button to add it to the list. And behind that, we will add a UL list empty with an ID, and that will be the one that will take care of uh, displaying all the list, all the to do in a list form. Now we are creating the body. We are creating all the styles, and the style will be simple. It will be like a simple centered to-do list app with all the information from top to bottom. And just I will let it off so you can see how it looks, and we see it in the few minutes when we start with the CSS with the JavaScript. Enjoy the video. If you are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icons for more coming videos that actually help me creating and improving all the videos that I have. And if you have any comment on whatever you want me to create for you to see, just put in the comments your thoughts and whatever you want me to create. Thank you, and we will continue with the video. Now that we have all the functionality for the CSS, let's gonna add everything for the JavaScript. So let's start coding. The first thing is that I'm gonna add I want to add an event listener to the entire document. So by the time that is loaded, this is gonna happen. First, we want to declare all the variables that we will use: the form, the input, and the list to deliver all the to the to-do list on to the, all the content to the list. Now we want to create an event listener to the form, and that will actually take care of the actions for submitting the task. The first thing is that we want to create a variable, and the variable will get the value from the input for the input test, and then we want to check if the test is already empty or is not empty. If in case that is not empty, we will be calling an add task function that we will creating later, and then we want to clear the same input so we can start adding new tasks to the list. Now we want to create a function add task, and that will be the one taking care of adding the task to the list. So we want to start creating the components, in this case a element, li, the list element that goes inside the ul, and we want to assign it the test, the content from the input that will go inside uh, that list. And at the later on, we want to continue with the delete button, and we create a delete button as a button, and that will be the one checking will be adding an event listener to delete the task from the list. And after that, we will add the button to the list, and we'll be adding the entire list, the task, with including the button to the entire list will be the UL that you have there. And having this is everything that we need to creating the to-do list app. As you can see now, if we add a new task and I click the button add, the task is added to the list. We will continue adding a couple of ones. Right now we'll add another one right now, and as you can see, if I delete one, it will be deleted. If I refresh the page, you will not see the list because it's getting on the fly, but you can actually have a two working list that you can use. The next video, it will be like how to storage this the task from the list using local storage, so you keep all the tags that you have even if you close or refresh the list, the to-do list. This is all for all. So you have it. This is a functional and to-do list app that you can do. You can now add and display and delete tasks inside there. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.